This is Mikey again, and we've just learned that he thinks farting's funny. He smiles and laughs on demand when the fart comes. Mikey, look over here. Stop smiling now, we haven't started yet. Ready? Here we go. What do you think about farting? Hey, he's gotta look this way. Stop. You do it then.
I can't do that.
Mikey, look over here.
Okay. He's had enough. He doesn't care for it anymore. Okay, that's enough. He doesn't really like it anymore.
Oh, what happened to the laughing, farting baby? Oh.
He doesn't want to be on camera. I'm so